Okay, let's see what all we have in our new Victoria's Secret bag. I got it because I spent $50 at Victoria's Secret. But I got lots of goodies in this bag, and we're just gonna see what it is. Welcome back. I have a couple of things that I would like to announce. I haven't been recording because I end up getting a second job, and I'm still doing my life insurance business, but I did get something else, another work from home job to kind of, you know, we all have bills, so we have to keep things consistent. Some consistent income coming in, and so that's what I end up doing, getting something that I kind of like already was familiar with. So got something working from home, still dealing with like health insurance. So yeah, that's what I've been doing, you guys. So forgive me if I haven't been recording and posting for a while, but that's what I've been doing. But I do have a couple of goodies in this bag that I would like to share with you guys. And I've been holding off for a while, so let's get to it. First, I have a new Stanley Cup. And I'm gonna try to make this video not too long. I have one from Halloween that I did, and that's like, I think it was like almost an hour. But yeah, so this is how it looks as you open it up. I got it from Amazon. Okay. So let's just see what color we got. Shall we? Okay, you guys. Isn't it so adorable? It's so cute. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And this is the 20 ounce. So I already have like 2 of the 40 ounce. So I just wanted something kind of like, you know, compact, nothing too big. And this is perfect. So I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So my baby daddy, fiance / husband, been together for 20+ years, end up getting me what I've been wanting for the longest. I've been asking for him to give me this for like a year now. Well, I haven't been asking him. I kind of just been like throwing it out there. I was like, yeah, I want this, and finally have it. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little unboxing settings. And yeah, let's check it out, shall we? Let's check this out. I had to come and say something. So, baby ended up getting me what I really wanted. This is so beautiful. Like, like I just love it. I love it. But okay, so I ended up getting, because I did not know, it actually came with a case already. But I ended up getting one because I was so excited about it. I ended up getting this one. See? Okay. So yeah, he ended up getting me this one, and I ended up getting this one. Two different brands, both do the same thing. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the one he got me and just save this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that. Okay. So I just love this. Isn't it cute? Finally got my iPad. Thanks, babe. Y'all. I've been wanting this pink iPad for like a year. And I didn't even know he had got me a case and a screensaver. He got me, what is that? Ooh, let's see if I can get it. He got me this one right here, and he tried. It's a cute little pink or whatever, like a tannish pink. Shit. Look at that baby. Okay, boom. Because apparently you can sync your phone with this. And I don't know if that's good. Cause let me see. Oh, yeah. So cute. I'm very happy about my new iPad. Baby really came through. So we're gonna talk about this. We're gonna finally open up this box together. This is the Dove Crumble limited edition confetti cheer. So let's see. I heard it's kind of like smelling really, really sweet, which I like. Nice, like fruity smells. And with it being, well, spring is coming up, I just wanted to go ahead and purchase like the collection. So straight out the box, it is the Crumble 72-hour deodorant confetti. Let's smell this and see what they're talking about. It smells like cake. Like, I like fruity smells, but honestly, like, I wouldn't wear this every day. I think it's so strong, it will make me nauseous. Cause it smells so sweet. But I mean, it's cool. It's cool. This is the Confetti Cake Nourishing Body Wash. And I love the color. Like, this is like my favorite color, pink. It's more like a pastel. I guess because I'm a spring baby. I'm born in April, so it's like a pastel pink. Bubblegum. Now this smells good. Just a little strong. I mean, I wouldn't say that I love it, but the color's cute. Like, I don't love it, although these are very popular. It's just so sweet. Like, if you like smelling like cakes, cinnamons, stuff like that, like real sweet frosted kind of flavors, then go for this. Honestly, I would probably wear this. This is not gonna be like an everyday thing, but I will still wear it. I will still, you know, switch up my smells with this. So pretty cool for the most part. So yeah, okay. And next, so as you know, these purses are viral. These are those cute little Victoria's Secret purses, and I just had to have one. It's so cute. I love the texture of the purse, the quality of it. It has a zipper on the inside to put stuff in, and you can wear it like this, like hold it, or you can make it like a crossbody. And I went ahead and purchased one of these cute little keychains to go on the side of it. It's so cute. Yeah, so that's that with that. And then Amazon, I don't know what Amazon was doing yesterday, but they were selling stuff for like 37 cents. So I've seen this cute little keychain. It's like cherries. And I just got me a Coach purse. It's so cute. It's like a cream color. This is the Savannah Coach. And then I also got a wallet to go with it. So cute. So cute. I love this wallet. Because it's like a little wristlet. Like I can just run in the gas station and go pay for my gas. But I love how I'm not going to show you the inside of my purse because it's kind of, yeah, it's not that bad. You know, but it has 3 compartments. And it also has like some little pockets on the side. Oh, I forgot that I had my little bracelet in here. See what I'm saying? But yeah, and I love how like they snap, and then you have like a middle zipper to be able to put like, you know, other stuff in there. But it's a crossbody as well. But I like to carry it like this. But I'm just gonna add cherry keychain to it. That is super cute. Super cute. Like, I love this. Like, it's not too big. It's not overbearing for the purse. So it goes. Like, yeah, I'm feeling it. Super cute. my cousin, she ended up sending me this little cute little charm. It's like a little purse. So I may just add it there to it. Just if I want a little bit more, you know. Let me just throw it back in here. But yeah. So that's the end of the video. I really just kind of want to share those unboxings with you. The Stanley Cup, the iPad, the Dove Crumble, because I really was interested in seeing what that smelled like. And yeah, and I just want to show y'all my new cute little purse right here. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, follow, you know. Go ahead and follow my business too, Skin Dripped in Diamonds. I do sell gift boxes, and I do a lot of other custom made things. So go ahead and follow me on there. I will post the name of Skin Dripped in Diamonds on the screen. So follow me there. And yeah, I guess I will see you guys later. And bye, y'all.